Hi everyone! Welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make this poster style character intro. If you're interested in this, keep watching. Before we start making the video, first, we need to prepare some materials, such as a background image, a flare-up video clip, and some other materials. We'll pack them together and put a download link in the comments below. You can download them directly or use similar materials. Next, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Import the background image into the media library. Drag it into the video track. If your background image looks lighter, you can make it darker by coming over to the right side. Find the color in the filter section and lowering the exposure value. After that, click here to create a text track. Type in the text you want in this text box. Then choose a font that looks tall and narrow. Then find the text shadow and adjust the offset value to 0. In the preview box, adjust the size and the position of the subtitle to make it occupy the entire screen as much as possible. Then change the text color to green. Click here to take a snapshot of the current frame. Re-import the image back into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete all the content on the timeline. Import the image we just exported to the overlay track and make it fit to the screen. Then import the texture image and put it on the video track. Select the image on the overlay track. Find the chroma key in the inspector panel on the right and check Enabled to remove the green screen. After that, we can click here to lock the material on the overlay track and adjust the size of the texture image in the preview window. Don't forget to unlock the overlay track when you are done. Create a new overlay track. Import the flare-up clip. Fit its size to the screen. Find the Blender Mode section and choose Screen. Next, let's import the prepared character image. Here, we need to remove the background. Import the PNG image that contains only the character. Create 2 new overlay tracks and import the character image into the bottom track. Make this image fit to the screen size. Click here to enter the color editor panel. What we need to do here is adjusting these parameters to keep only the key details of the character. First, let's adjust both the temperature and the tint to the lowest values. Then let's try bringing down the exposure, shadows, and blacks, increasing contrast, highlights, and whites. Next, check Sharpen and adjust the radius value to the maximum. Finally, in the HSL section, adjust the hue value to turn the character yellow. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Use the Split tool to trim a 1-second clip on both sides. Then copy and paste to the upper overlay track. In the color editor, turn the character all black. Next, find the Fade and Move. Check Fade Out and pull the duration value to the maximum. Select the lower material, check Fade In, and likewise set the duration to max. Finally, create a new overlay track. Import the splatter materials into VideoProc Vlogger and drag it into the new track. Fit it to the screen. Changing blend mode to screen. Use Ripple Edit to trim all materials to the same length. Click Export to export this clip. Create a new project, then import the video we just exported into VideoProc Vlogger and drag it into the video track. Click here to enter the motion editor and add a keyframe on the far left. Let's make this box fit to the screen size. Then add a keyframe on the far right and shrink the box a little bit. Changing the speed mode to speed up. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Import the grunge effects into VideoProc Vlogger. Drag it into the overlay track. Fit its size to the screen. Changing blend mode to screen. Alright, we just made a poster style intro. That's it for today's video. If you want to learn more editing tricks or keep up with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!